Hello, it's Flo, and today I want to show you on the HTC One X and with the custom ROM called the Ice called Jelly from LorD ClockaN, based on Android Jelly Bean there. I want just to show you there the tablet mode and how it works there. So let's go to settings and go on ROM control. Here we are the bar with not some button keys, and I just want to show you how it works. So how it works to change the tablet mode. So first thing to show is the force tablet user interface. So I have just forced it, and let's go to reboot the phone to show you what will change. So there we have just different widgets there and applications. We got also the YouTube by this way, this YouTube. Okay, this one there with different things and some things there. We have the Gmail here with FlowWolf1, Logic Conversations. We got also the messages. Yes, is not changed, and I don't remember what changed. Also the browser is like that, and I have to change it to tablet user interface, and just to show you how it works. So let's go just to restart our phone, reboot it, reboot and reboot. Let's go. Okay, so there we got this message when we restart with the force tablet user interface. We can use that just to change the display. Okay, so for example, there we have some different things. We can see that we got the clock, but not at the good place. We got this button there. I have to disable, for example, there the different buttons here. Let's go to settings, data usage, ROM control, navigation bar, and enable it. Okay, and let's go there on the home screen, and we can just wait the restart of the navigation bar. Here we are. Okay, and wait 1 second more, and we got this icon there. We don't see it right now, but we must see it soon. Okay, why? Okay, so we have to reboot it once time again, because you can see when you just use the tablet user interface, it just don't work as we expect. So we have to go there, ROM control, navigation bar, and enable bar, for example, and here is work better. We have to restart it. Okay, here we have this icon with 4 different arrows, and it just uses this stretch to fill screen or zoom to fill screen. And with zoom to fill screen, we got something available, and there we got something better, because it's not the tablet mode but the phone used as tablet mode. But we can see here we don't see the text under the different icons on messages. Moreover, we can just go on the drawer, for example, and go on where I want to go is where it is, browser. There we can just remap it through zoom to fill screen. We can just change it and switch. You see this is different. We have the tablet user interface, and we can just click that and use the phone mode just with this button. And we also get the menu. Not this one, this menu, where is it? This menu there, and we have to go on settings here, and on settings we can also remap it. We can't remap. Yes, we can remap it for the phone. You see that by this way or this way. So this is just cool to have this icon to change everything when we want. Also we get the Gmail there, and we get the Gmail with this column, but we can also use it as phone, there. Okay, so this is for the force tablet user interface. Let's go on setting and change it right now to use it as the tablet mode. So let's go to uncheck the tablet forced user interface and change the density. We've changed density to 160. It could be good. Just custom it, and we have to check it for 120 by this way. Set. Reboot now. Let's go. Okay, so I have just disabled the tablet user interface first, and I am just using the tablet mode. So we can see that here that we have something just different there with the unlock screen, and we have the way to use the pin code is just most difficult, but we can change it just easily. I will just show you how to do that. Okay, so we get some different icons, but you can see that this is not just perfect icons, and there are maybe just some flaw, there. This is not just perfectly determined. We have also kill all apps, the menu, and we have there the notification. So let's go to settings there and go to settings here, and we can see that we think my phone is just so big, but not. This is just the different things there, just so little. So let's go to general user interface, and we can just change the where is it? This is maybe on font, but where is font? Navigation bar, program menu, language and inputs. Oh no, display, maybe display there. Hardware font size on display, and you can use font size there and use. Okay, I don't succeed in typing that. Huge. Okay, on huge we have something maybe better, but this is not what we are expecting also. So let's go to ROM control, and with 120 it's maybe just not enough. So let's go to force. Okay, we have also the enable dual panel. This is the way to have, for example, on the Gmail there, when we got not YouTube but Gmail. When we got Gmail, we got the left column there and the right one. So this is the dual panel, and we can force it on phone, but you have it with the tablet mode, for example. Also, let's go to force the tablet mode by this way, just to see what's happened with that. So let's go on ROM control there, and we can see that there is a lot of things. General user interface, and LCD density change, force tablet mode, just to see what's happened. And let's go to restart the phone. Then we have to use the another LCD density, for example 160, and then 300. Okay, so I have restarted with the forced tablet mode user interface, and we can see, first thing we can see, this is it don't change anything. So tablet user interface forced is just for the phone. So let's go on settings there and change for 160 for the tablet mode. Let's go there, change for general user interface, and scroller option, not scroller option, but LCD density, and change LCD density to stock value, and we have to use the 160 HDMI. And let's go to restore the phone by this way. Reboot it. Let's go. Okay, so let's restart the phone on the over density, and we can see this is just better because there we got a screen used at all its places, and this is just now amazing to use it. We can just go on settings and just check for the size of the font size. This is still huge, and we can just use it like that, and this is just easier to use it. We can also see that we can't use the screen at its all place. For example, we can't choose any app over this part there, and this is just maybe something we have to change. There is also there the widgets and different apps still working. This is the Play Store, we already know that. There is here the status bar notification, but there is also the mode for dual panel, for you have already seen, working on Gmail also. Let's go on ROM control and change the general user interface now to another mode, don't force tablet mode, but choose it for the 240. This is the Phablet mode. So let's go to restart it on Phablet mode, and let's go to reboot it. Excuse me. Okay, so here is the Phablet mode, and this is my favorite one, because you know this is just between the tablet and between the phone, you have the mode with the different key there. We have the tablet there, the notification status bar there. Also the drawer with different apps and widgets. It works just very good, and this is just easier to use than the tablet mode. Okay, so I know I have to clear the screen once again, you know, by like this way. Okay, and just choose the settings here, and we have still the dual panel thing there, and we have just something amazing there. I prefer this one without forced tablet user interface. We can also check it just to see what's happened with that if we have the 4 arrows icon, just to use the phone mode with that. Okay, so let's go to reboot it for the last time, and then I will just compress this video for you and enjoy this thing. Let's go to reboot it. Reboot. Okay, yes. Okay, so I have restarted with the Phablet mode and the forced user interface for tablet, and what I was hoping is there we have the 4 arrows there just to squish to fill screen, or use the zoom fill screen to use the phone mode, you know. So this is just something I was expecting, and this is just amazing to know that, you know. Let's go to settings there, and we can see we can just fill it to screen or use it. So this is just working very well, and I love this custom ROM and this mode to use the tablet. Also, this is working on this mode, you know, and rotation for the 360 degrees. Okay, so thanks once again to over his message there. Thanks once time again to have seen this video, and let's go to continue my tests.